morning from TV Page. We bring you the news first at your home. I'm Vishnu Senrima.
And I'm Francis.
Let's take a catch-up headline for today. 19 suspects directly linked to the underworld arrested so far, said police. Court convenes under Rohita's chairmanship amid a string of men arrests. Vietnam president out as 1 of years just office. A changing period, dry weather conditions expect from today. Blow for Sri Lanka as Hasaranga is suspected for Bangladesh test. Let's catch up today's main news. Paludi.
Yes, Vishnu. 19 suspects directly linked to the underworld arrested so far. Sri Lanka police says that a total of 19 individuals directly linked to the underworld have been arrested. Thus far, under the special operation launched against organized crime and the underworld being parallel to the ongoing European anti-drug operation. Accordingly, 4 members belonging to the 3 criminal gangs were arrested yesterday, along with ice, heroin, and salt. Now, let's take a look about foreign news. These are today's good news. Vietnam's President Ho Van Thu resigns after clearing the office. After a meeting of the ruling Communist Party on Wednesday, the government said in a statement that he had broken party rules and had negatively affected its reputation. Mr. Thu is believed to have resigned over his links to a corruption scandal in his home province.
Thank you, Paludi.
Now it's time to take about weather forecast. Shajani.
I'm Sajini Sanjana. The Department of Meteorology says the changing raining dry weather conditions in the island can be expected from today. Several spells of showers will occur in eastern, rural, northern areas of the state. Showers or thundershowers will occur at several places in western, southern Vermont, central southern, northwestern, and north central provinces during the afternoon or night.
Thank you, Sajini.
Now it's time to sports. Sports news. Asmi.
I am Asmi. Today's sports news. Blow for Sri Lanka as Vandu Hasaranga is suspended for Bangladesh test. Sri Lankan all-rounder Vandu Hasaranga has been suspended for Bangladesh new test series against Bangladesh shortly after announcing his decision to return to test cricket, having retired from the format last year.
It's time to wrap up news for today.
Thank you very much for watching the TV That Was First.
Have a nice day.